Hey, what's up? Me again. Today we're over here in Buckeye doing a 25 screen install. This customer wanted all their screens done. They went with Adobe frames, the fabric. We already finished the front of the house. We're done with this side. We finished up the back of the house. Walking along here, and I got Caesar on the other side, getting that done. So yeah, Adobe frames, black 90 fabric. Looks pretty good. That's Caesar right there. About to mount that screen. And we still got this whole side to go. So yeah, this customer is gonna be really happy with his windows. Peace.